Ever wondered how to make a perfect vegetarian pizza at home? Well, wonder no more. Here's a simple yet delicious recipe that will turn your kitchen into an Italian pizzeria. Begin with gathering your ingredients. You'll need organic all-purpose flour, dry active yeast, warm water, olive oil, salt, organic sugar, cornmeal, tomatoes, garlic, red chili flakes, Italian herbs, black pepper, mozzarella cheese, and a variety of your favorite vegetables. The first step is to activate the yeast. Combine warm water and sugar in a mixing bowl, stirring until the sugar dissolves. Sprinkle yeast over the water, stir gently, and allow it to rest for about 5 minutes until it becomes frothy. While the yeast is resting, mix flour and salt in another bowl. Make a well in the center of the flour mixture and pour in the yeast mixture. Add olive oil and knead the dough until it's soft and pliable. If necessary, add a bit more water. Now it's time to transfer the dough onto a clean surface and knead it for about 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a greased bowl, cover it with a damp cloth, and let it rise in a warm place for about 90 minutes until it doubles in size. While the dough is rising, prepare the pizza sauce. Heat oil in a pan and sauté garlic until golden brown. Add tomatoes, red chili flakes, Italian herbs, salt, black pepper, and sugar. Cook this on low heat until the sauce thickens. Preheat the oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit. After the dough has risen, punch it down to release any air bubbles and transfer it onto a floured surface. Divide the dough into 2 equal portions and shape them into balls. Roll out each ball into a thin circle of your desired thickness. To prevent sticking, sprinkle cornmeal on a baking tray or pizza stone. Place the rolled out dough on the tray or stone. Spread pizza sauce evenly over the dough, leaving a small border around the edges. Sprinkle mozzarella cheese over the sauce, followed by your chosen mixed vegetables. Add a final sprinkle of Italian herbs and red chili flakes to taste. Bake in the preheated oven for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crust turns golden brown and the cheese melts. Once it's done, remove from the oven and let it cool slightly before slicing. And there you have it, a perfect homemade vegetarian pizza. Buon appetito!